This is a capture challenge for black. So if you look at this pattern, you should be able to figure out what black's targets are. And it's these 3 white stones, because black is cut off and being surrounded and about to die. Only 4 liberties left. And these 3 white stones have 3 liberties. But this is really a connection challenge. If black tries to push through this way, black will fail because this is a tiger's mouth. And after 1 and 2, black already fails. So this is just a move that has to be in your arsenal of capture techniques. And it's this move. It's called atekomi, or hit inside, or a bump into diagonal move. Right? So this way, black can succeed because white is really paralyzed now. If white connects here, black will cut off white like this. And white already cannot connect. If white connects here, black can cut. And this will be a snapback. White captures, black captures back. So white will fail this way. If white tries this Atari, then black can just escape like this. And now if white Ataris, black cannot connect, right? If black connects, then white connects. Black will fail. Black must Atari this way. White captures. And now what happens is that black can play here, right? Threatening to play at 1 or here. If white connects here, then black will cut and will be able to capture white like this. If white connects here, then black can play the throw-in move, and this will be a snapback. White captures, and black can capture back. So this is white's strongest response, and black has to be ready for this. So that is why number 1 will guarantee black's success. And in this type of situations where pushing through here will result in tiger's mouth, you should always consider this atekomi move, this hit inside, this bumping move against this diagonal. And it could be a very effective move at cutting off your opponent. Thank you for watching.